Think your air conditioner is too cold? Your remote already has the solution, and most people never use it correctly. To increase your AC temperature, simply press the temperature up button until your preferred setting appears on the remote or indoor display. A higher temperature setting doesn't make your AC weaker. It tells the thermostat to stop cooling once the room reaches that temperature. Most experts recommend setting your AC between 76 degrees Fahrenheit and 78 degrees Fahrenheit when you're home. This balance keeps you comfortable while reducing energy use. Avoid setting the temperature extremely low. Air conditioners cool at a steady rate, so lower settings won't cool your room faster. If your remote isn't changing the temperature, check that it's in cool mode, replace the batteries, and point it directly at the indoor unit. Some AC remotes have a button lock or child lock feature. If the temperature won't adjust, unlock the remote by following your model's instructions. For even better comfort, raise the temperature 1 degree at a time and use a ceiling fan to circulate cool air throughout the room. Using the right temperature can lower electricity consumption, reduce strain on your AC, and help extend the system's lifespan over time. Now you know how to increase your AC temperature with the remote. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more simple home cooling tips.